Baby, baby, let's eat healthy food. They can make your tummy hurt. Baby, let's eat a lot of healthy food. It will be good for you. If you eat colorful fruits and veggies, you can get stars. These stars will help you to be a healthy and strong superhero. Time to have some yummy food. Baby, baby, come over here.
I'll have veggies, yummy, yummy, yum, yum, and
Here. Time to have some yummy food. Baby, baby, come over here.
I'll have fruit, yummy, yummy, yum, yum, it's so good. Now I'm a healthy superhero too. Family time.
Please encourage your kids to eat more fruits and vegetables and less snacks. It will help them grow healthy and strong.